In this tutorial, we're going to explore how effortlessly you can customize your charts on Abbado by adding indicators. Let's dive right into the process. First, let's navigate to the platform's page. Once there, find and click on the Indicators tab. This action will reveal a drop-down menu packed with a variety of indicators to choose from. Each indicator can significantly impact your trading analysis, so take your time to explore your options. If you're in search of additional indicators, simply click on the link that takes you to the indicator store. Here, you'll discover a treasure trove of over 100 indicators available for download. Browse through the collection, and when you find one that aligns with your trading strategies or interests, click Install to add it to your toolkit. Abbado makes it incredibly simple to keep track of your most used or favorite indicators. All you have to do is click on the star icon next to the name of an indicator. This action automatically adds the indicator to your favorites list, making it super accessible for future use. You can edit the indicator's properties or remove it by right-clicking on it and selecting from the available options. In our next video, we'll take a leap further into how you can automate your trading strategies with just a few clicks. Stay tuned for more insights that could revolutionize your trading experience. See you in the next video.